Here, okay, characteristics. What are the characteristics of a problem-based learning method? Again, characteristics of a problem-based learning method. Yes, here, okay, the key characteristics, yes, okay, of a problem-based learning are that it involves teamwork and communication skills. Yes, okay, okay, skills, a problem solving capacity, critical, analytic, and creative, as well as individual research. Here, okay, yes, okay, also here, okay, learning is student centered. Learning occurs, okay, in small student groups. Teachers are facilitators or guides. A problem are a vehicle for the development. New information is acquired through self-directed learning. Yes, here, okay, okay, yes, okay, here, okay. Also here we have another okay characteristics of a problem-based learning method. Okay, here okay it shifts away from short isolated teacher centered lessons. Okay, this method integrates real world issues and practices. Okay, in addition, okay, this method teaches students to apply what they have learned in university to lifelong endeavors. Yes. Okay, what is the process of a problem-based learning? Here, okay, as you see here, okay, in this slide, we have, okay, diagram, okay, of a process, okay, about the process of a problem-based learning. Here, firstly, okay, brainstorm and analyze, okay, list what you know, determine and gather what is needed, list possible solutions, yes, and choose the best option, develop an action plan. So consider options, plan events, solve the problem, report findings. Yes, here, okay, according to a process of problem-based learning, students confront, yes, okay, a problem, or okay gives, okay, students give, okay, confront a problem. Any groups, yes, students organize a prior knowledge and try to identify the nature of the problem. Here, okay, in this stage, yes, and okay, in the second stage, list what you know. Yes, here, okay, about the prior, okay, so students organize prior knowledge. Yes. Okay, after that, students pose questions about what they, yes, okay, what they don't understand here, okay, in this, okay, stage. Yeah. After that, students design a plan to solve the problem and identify the resources they need here, okay, by listing possible solutions and choose the best option. Yeah. Okay. In addition, students arrange possible explanations and working hypotheses. Yeah. Okay. After that, students begin to gather information as they work to solve the problem. Okay. At the end, yes, here, okay, they report back. They put, okay, or they have, okay, report back, synthesize explanations and apply, yes, here, okay, uh, newly acquired information to the problem. Yes. Here, okay, if I ask you, what are skills develop, okay, what are skills, okay, that developed in problem-based learning? Yes, here, okay, skills developed in problem-based learning, yes, okay, is to think, okay, are, yes, sorry, here, okay, are to think critically, to are, okay, to analyze and solve real, okay, where the problems, to find, evaluate, and use appropriate learning resources, knowledge, and skills. to work, okay, another skill that is, okay, developed in problem-based learning is to work cooperatively in teams, okay, is to learn effective communication skills, is to become independent learners, and is to hold leadership roles. Yes. Here, okay, we have okay, problem-based learning process. Yes, we have some steps, okay, in this step. The first one here is identify the problems. Okay, you can identify the problem by answering this question. What is the problem? What is the problem? Here, for example, Biff is an 18 years old, okay, sophomore has missed 3 weeks of school this semester. Here, okay, so you need to identify the problem. Okay, here, okay, in this example, okay, the problem, okay, that, okay, is that, okay, here, okay, Beth is 18 years old and still sophomore. Okay, he missed 3 weeks of school. Yes, yes, okay, here, okay. Okay, the second step here, hypothesize. You need to hypothesize possible explanations. Okay, okay, by answering this question, why is this happening? Why is this happening? Yes, here, okay, you need to give some explanations, such as, for example, maybe, okay, he embarrassed about age. Okay, maybe he, okay, takes some drugs, alcohol. Okay, maybe he has, okay, peer pressure, uh, related to family issues, etc. Yes. Yes, third step here, okay, you need to obtain further information by answering this question. What information do I need to support or eliminate possible explanations? Yes, here, okay, for example, okay, we have further information such as academic history, reasons for still being in 10th grade, maybe other drug related, maybe related to other drug behavior or peer group. Yes, the fourth step here is to identify learning issues by answering this question. What don't I know? What don't I know? Here, okay, for example, we have some learning topics such as maybe common reasons for school absence, adolescent response to being held back, or maybe common signs of a drug use. Use. Yes. Okay. Step 5 here. Okay. Research learning issues and synthesize new information. You can do that by trying to find an answer for this question. How do I find information on don't know, and how can I use it, understand, explain the case? Yes. Okay, in step 6 here, you need to apply new knowledge to case. Okay, so can I explain by answering this question? So, okay, can I explain things better now? Yes, of course. Here, okay, after that, you gathering the information and put hypothesis. You, okay, can reach to this, okay, illustration, okay, or analysis. Here, okay, PIFs missing a school is probably related to a combination of problems, including being embarrassed about his age and being frustrated about his family problems. Yeah. Okay. Step 7 here. Okay. You need to evaluate the process by trying to find an answer for this question. How did I do? And what could I have done better? How did I do? And what could I have done better? Yes, here, okay. As you see here, okay, in this slide, we have 7 stages, okay, or steps, okay, in a problem-based learning, which are here, okay, a group setting, problem in identification, idea generation, learning issues, self-directed learning, synthesis and application, and the last stage is reflection and feedback. Here, okay, so we have 7 steps to, okay, or in problem-based learning, which are, okay, here, for example, just, okay, to give an example about that, okay, to clarify here, okay, the students read through, okay, in the step of clarifying, for example, or, okay, here, okay, students are okay, read through the problem, then identify and clarify any words or concepts that they don't understand. Yes, here, okay, um yes, okay, and okay, and define, for example, a step. The students work together to define what they think the problem is. Yes, here, okay, what the problem, what they think the problem is. Okay, okay, in analyzing, yes, okay, stage, yeah. Students, for example, students discuss the problem. Okay, at this stage, there is no shifting of ideas. Yes. Also here, okay, in previewing, okay, or in reviewing, yes, okay, in reviewing, okay, just here, okay, students now try to arrange their ideas and explanations into tentative solutions. Yes, here, okay, yes, okay, also here, okay. For example, here, okay, and in, for example, self-directed learning stage, yes, here, okay, students try to identify learning, sorry, yes, here, okay, in this stage, self-directed learning, for example, yes, okay, teacher, okay, needs to identify learning objectives. The group, okay, okay, of students, okay, reach, okay, a consensus, okay, on learning objectives, for example. And here, okay, in self-study, yes, okay, okay, stage, or self-directed learning, yes, here, okay, students individually gather information towards the learning objectives and prepare to share their information with the rest of the group. And after that here, okay, in the stage of reflection and feedback, okay, students come together in their groups and share their results. The facilitator, okay, checks that the learning objectives have been met. So here, okay, we have example, just 2 basic steps of a problem-based learning. Here, okay, according to these steps, okay, the teacher, okay, or okay, the teacher, yes, divides, okay, students into groups. Okay, real problem is presented and discussed. Okay, after that, students identify what is known, okay, what information is needed, and what strategies, yes, here, okay, uh, okay, or next steps to take by individuals, okay, here, okay, okay, research different issues, gather information, okay, resources, etc. Okay, um, okay, after that, okay, resources evaluated in groups. Okay, cycle repeats until students feel the problem has been framed adequately and all issues have been addressed. Okay, after that, okay, possible actions, recommendations, okay, resolutions or hypotheses are generated. At the end, okay, tutor or facilitator groups conduct peer self-assessments. Yes. Here, okay, we have example, okay, about how problem, okay, here, okay, just how problem-based learning works. Yes, how does a problem-based learning work? Yes, here, okay, in the first step, okay, define the problem. Okay, here, okay, to define the problem, facilitator, okay, or the teacher presents a problem to student. Okay, here, for example, as you see in this, okay, uh, picture, okay, for example, okay, the teacher, okay, your, for example, here, your task today, the teacher says, okay, that your, okay, task today is to solve, and the teacher announced the problem that okay, students wants to solve. Yes, here. After that, here, okay, the second step, propose solutions to solve the problem. Yes, here, okay, students discuss a problem in a small group. Yes, they, okay, students, they clarify, okay, students, okay, try to clarify the facts and define what the problem is. Okay, brainstorming ideas based on the prior, okay, the previous knowledge of them, and they identify what they need to learn to work on the problem. After that, okay, what they identify what they don't know, okay, okay, learning issues. Yes, here, okay, for example, here, okay, as you see here in the picture, okay, here, okay, the teacher says that let's this, okay, or the chair of the group says let's discuss about, or the teacher here, okay, maybe give hints about that. Yes, here, okay, the leader of the group, the chair, says let's discuss about this. Here, for example, yes, here, okay, in step 3, gather and evaluate information. Here, as you see here, okay, students group, they are trying to gather and collect information. Yes, here, okay, students engage on independent study. Yes. After that, yes, here, okay, in step 4, okay, they synthesize and form solutions. So students come back to group and share their opinions, their thoughts, etc. Yes, okay, in step, okay, here, okay, review. What is the difference between, okay, these two pictures here? Okay, the first one, how to improve this. And in the second picture here, what are the problems? What are the problems? They here, okay, in this picture, they identify the problems. In the second, okay, picture here, just try to think how to improve this. So here, okay, okay, students review what they have learned and compile final report. Yes, here, okay. So, okay, the main goal of this method, problem-based learning, is to acquire subject matter knowledge. Okay, two is to motivate learners to learn, and okay, to help learners with retention. Yes. Okay, here, okay, problem-based learning, okay, aims to develop students' thinking skills. Okay, aims to develop students' key skills relevant to employment, such as interpersonal communication skills. Okay, okay, etc. Yes. Here, okay, let's go to the what are the advantages of a problem-based learning method. Yes, here, okay, we have some, okay, or many advantages of this method in teaching and learning process. Here, okay, such as okay, here, okay, this method, okay, we can't consider it as active learning. Yes, how? Yes, okay, okay, yes, here, okay, by, okay, here, okay, students learn by doing. Okay, this method increases students' motivation. Okay, okay. Here, okay, it relevant. Okay, it is relevant. Okay, here in this method, uh, students are, okay, presenting to relevant issues and learning such as real life problems. Yes, here, okay, also this method is an activity of collaboration. Okay, okay, and this method, okay, improves problem solving abilities. Yes, etc. And here, okay, what are the disadvantages of a problem-based learning method? Yes, here we have some disadvantages or drawbacks of this method. Yes, here, okay, such as problem-based, a problem, okay, involves mental activity only. Okay, there is lack, okay, of a suitable reference and source books for the learners. Okay, just in a brief, okay, about these, okay, disadvantages, just to summarize them. Okay, this method involves a lot of time, and teachers find it difficult to cover the prescribed syllabus. Okay, here, okay, uh, okay, in this method, okay, this method needs flexibility and adaptability. Here, okay, also, yes, problem solving methods need very capable teachers to provide effective guidance. Yes, here, okay, and etc. Yes, thank you, with my best regards and wishes for you.